Hey there, I'm estate planning attorney Paul Rabelais, and in this video, I'm going to explain how you can get your will and estate planning done today. But before I do that, let me give you a little bit of background. For more than 30 years, I have been advocating for my clients, one at a time, to get and keep their estate legal affairs in order. And about 5 years ago, I started this YouTube channel with one of the goals being to educate people, not just in my state, but all across America, about the finer nuances of estate planning in an easy to understand way. And I'm pleased that our channel now has more than 100,000 subscribers and millions of views. Thank you to everyone who has participated in this growth. About a year ago, I started to build, along with some expert technology partners, an online, do-it-yourself estate planning platform to enable anyone in America, in all 50 states, to build and maintain an estate plan online, where you will complete your estate plan without an estate planning attorney. I did this for two reasons. First, I knew that technology would take over this estate planning industry, just like it has taken over the financial services and tax reporting industries. And second, I felt that I could build something better than any other consumer online estate planning document creation platform that is out there by using modern online tools to assess your needs, guide you through a question and answer process, demonstrate logically your decisions, build the appropriate estate legal documents, and then enable you to notify and educate your loved ones about what you have done. Our website enables anyone in America to create and customize their own estate plan, starting with a will or living trust. You can leave specific things to specific people, create trusts for your spouse or other beneficiaries that will take effect when you pass away, name executors and trustees, and create those powers of attorney and healthcare legal documents that every adult needs as part of their overall estate plan. In addition, you can upload and store your validly signed documents with easy access from our dashboard. And you will also have the option to use our platform to notify your loved ones of roles that you have designated them to fill for you in the future. In addition, you'll be able to update your estate plan as life and law changes require. I made a list of 6 things that make My Advocate different from all other avenues that you have for creating and maintaining your estate plan. They are: number 1, My Advocate provides a simple and straightforward process for determining your specific estate planning needs. Based on the answers you provide in your assessment, we'll know what questions to ask and not ask during the question and answer flow. Number 2, My Advocate asks the right questions, which enable you to build a plan that deals with your life's circumstances, whether you feel like your needs require something basic or for those who feel they are dealing with unique situations. Number 3, My Advocate provides both text and video education to allow you to answer questions with confidence. Some people like to read and some people are more visual learners. We have both for you. Text explanations of the questions and answers provide more detail and help you to engage in deeper processing of the information. Videos can take information and make it easy to interpret in a short period of time. It's been said that if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video has to be worth at least 1.8 million words. Number 4, My Advocate's customized flowcharts and diagrams are the best way to communicate the logic and decisions of your estate plan so you can feel comfortable that your estate legal documents will reflect your true intent. Number 5, My Advocate's plain language legal documents are built to comply with the unique requirements of each of the 50 states. Number 6, My Advocate's notification features stimulate family engagement to improve and enhance relationships with family members and other loved ones, while providing your advocates with education and knowledge that enables them to represent you, your estate, and your legacy in the best way possible. To get started, click on the link below. We're excited to help you build your legacy. Thanks, and have a great day.